Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by choosing the wallet type that fits your goals: hardware for long-term security, software for convenience, or custodial for simple fiat rails. Once chosen, create a dedicated email and open a password manager. This protects your recovery phrase and logins. Next, install the wallet app or connect the hardware device and follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Make sure to use a strong, unique password and enable device-level authentication immediately to reduce early risks. Once your account is created, the critical step is securing your seed phrase. Write it on paper or metal and store it offline in at least 2 separate secure locations. Then enable two-factor authentication and any biometric or PIN protections the wallet offers. These layers prevent easy account takeovers. After setup, verify your receiving address by scanning its QR code and send a small test amount so you confirm transactions work and fees are clear. If you use a custodial provider, link your bank or card now. To finish, fund your wallet using a connected exchange, bank transfer, or in-app card purchase, making sure you select the correct network to avoid lost funds. Once funded, label important addresses and set gas limits if applicable, then perform 1 or 2 normal transactions to become comfortable. If something goes wrong, like a missing seed phrase, stop using the wallet and locate your offline backups. Only custodial providers can help recover accounts, so contact their support and provide required verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.